Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to go into incognito mode on Google Chrome. So let's get started. So here we are in Google Chrome right here in our PC. And what you want to do to go into incognito is simply go here in the three dots that is arranged vertically on the top right of your screen, just below the close button or X button right here. And you want to go into the new incognito window. You want to click on this one and you would be able to open up incognito mode right here. So once you have done this, then you can just use the incognito. And another thing that you can do so that you can go into this mode is simply go click or tap on your keyboard, Control Shift plus N. Once you have pressed those three keys, then you would be able to go into incognito mode, and that is basically true for all browsers right there. It is exactly the same steps. You have two options. You can go here and three dots right here. You can click here and you can go and click incognito window right here, or you can just simply go press on your keyboard Control Shift and N right there, and you would be able to open your incognito mode on whatever browser you're using. In this case, we are using Google Chrome. So once you're here in incognito mode, your browser won't be able to save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms, websites you visit, and your activity might still be visible to the websites you visit, so they would be able to collect cookies. Your employers or school, you won't be able to hide your browsing activities from your employer or school and your internet service provider right here. So that is what you need to know when you are using incognito in your browser. And again, this is basically true for all browsers because they have the same settings right there. So that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.